Real-world examples are best for explaining functionality and giving you great ideas based on things other users are doing. Hey guys, Zack with FTx here for another great FTx fact. So in this round, we're doing something a little different. Usually, we generically explain a feature or talk about a function and send you on your way. While that's great and useful, sometimes real-world examples are best for explaining functionality and giving you great ideas based on things other users are doing. So over the past 25 years, I've had the privilege of working with hundreds of retailers across the country. Everything from small single-store operators to chains with more than 300 stores. So I've seen a lot of variety in operational procedures. Some really good and others not so much. Every now and then I run across a retailer using the system in an effective way, and I always try to take note of it to share with others. And today, we're going to look at a couple of those from the loyalty and commission modules. So let's dig in. On the loyalty side, I work with a chain that uses Loyal and Save to push glass pipe sales to loyalty customers. Like most shops, they have a few showcase pieces of glass. These are ones retailing for a few $100s, and these are at each store. While these pieces are great to have in the store, they're basically art that customers love to come in and look at. They don't sell that frequently. So, this customer set up a monthly loyalty campaign for their glass pipes. But instead of a coupon or points, customers earn an entry into a raffle. The raffle prize, one of the showcase glass pieces. And they earn entries by purchasing items in the specified glass pipe category. Once a month, they run a raffle report when the campaign ends, and this notifies the winner. To me, it's very well thought out. You're giving away a piece valued at a few $100s that generally you have less than $100 cost on. You're keeping the customer coming back to your store to buy their smaller glass in hopes that they win the raffle that month, and by tying it to loyalty, you're capturing that data too. In addition to the monthly raffle, they do a yearly one for a super high-end piece in April, and they hold that drawing, as you guessed, on April 20th, 420. Another great thing I've seen is effectively using commissions and discounts. So there's a chain in Tennessee that shared with me how they're using it to help vape sales. So as you know, selling vape in any form, e-liquid, disposables, etc., is very volatile. What's hot right now may be ice cold in a couple of months. So to help combat this, they have a monthly discount and commission combination. They identify a line that's slowed down or that they don't plan to restock, and they offer the customer a discount and add a commission to it. They will then showcase this line via digital signage so the customers are also aware, and they say that this works so well that towards the end of the month, cashiers are already reaching out asking what next month products will be so that they can educate themselves on it. So the takeaway here is that commissions work. They're the quickest way to push products as everyone wants to earn a little something extra, and the customer listens to and trusts what cashiers recommend. So to set this up, they simply create the discount of their choosing, then they pop over to the commission side and set it up as either a dollar or percentage. Well, I hope these real-world examples give you some ideas about things to implement in your stores. Until next time, take care.